one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. The Lord says it is not finished yet. I see people who've faced setback. Your confidence has been shaken. Things have not worked out the way that you'd hoped. It felt as if things are stalled, as if they've slipped from your hands. But the Lord says this is not the end of the story. I see a game of chess, and I see someone who feels as if they're about to lose. They don't see any moves left. But then the Lord points out one move that you can make, one step, and that changes everything. For in one move, the whole situation reverses, and the opponent is brought into a place of checkmate. You are victorious. And the Lord says, take courage, for I am the one who is giving you wisdom. Take courage, for I am the one who is turning situations around. Where you have felt disappointment and setback, I'm turning things around for your good. For this is not the end of the story. I will give you the wisdom that you need. I will give you the strength to be victorious. For I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is making all things new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.